Hi there, let us start programming by installing Visual Studio Code on our Linux PC. First get to the terminal and type sudo snap install code classic. Make sure you add those hyphens in between and then you have to enter your password and press enter. If snap is not installed on your computer, then you might have to install it. Now the installation is done, and now if we search in our menu, we can find the Visual Studio Code software. Just click on it and wait for it to load. And it has opened. Now click on this icon over there, which is the extensions panel, and search for Python. Click on install and just wait for it to install. As you can see, the installation is complete. Now we have successfully installed Python in Visual Studio. Now let us just close this and create a new file. Here you can find many options. To create a new file, click on File button and select New File and choose the Python file option. This opens up a Python workspace.